In this video, I'm going to cover algebraic expressions. Before learning algebraic expressions, you should know about algebraic terms. If you do not know about algebraic terms, watch my video on algebraic terms. I have mentioned the link in the description below. Okay then, what are algebraic expressions? Here, I have written an algebraic expression. Remember, an algebraic expression is different from a numerical expression because it contains algebraic terms. There are unknown terms. Let me write a numerical term. Let's say 5 plus 2 minus 6. Here, all the terms are numbers. They are all known. We know the exact value. But in this algebraic expression, we don't know the value of x and y. They are unknown. Here, 5x and 2y are algebraic terms. Somehow, algebraic expressions contain numerical terms as well. That means numbers. Here we have 6. So, let's summarize. Algebraic expressions are the expressions that contain algebraic terms. Here it's 5x, 2y. Also numerical terms. Here it's 6. And also mathematical operations. In this example, we got an addition and a subtraction. Did you notice this? The terms of an algebraic expression are connected by additions and subtractions. Right, now I'm going to explain 3 different algebraic expressions. Monomial expressions, binomial expressions, and trinomial expressions. Mono means 1. Bi means it's 2. Tri means 3. What are these 1, 2, 3? These are number of terms in an algebraic expression. Nomial means term. So when there is only one term, we call it monomial expression. When there are 2 terms, we call it binomial expressions. 3 terms means it's a trinomial expression. The terms are the parts of an algebraic expression. Terms can be algebraic terms, also numerical terms. So you already know monomial expressions have only one term. And remember, this term is an algebraic term. For example, x, maybe y, or 2x, x over 2, or x squared, maybe xy, or 5xy, like this. Then what about binomial expressions? Yes, we know now binomial expressions have 2 terms. These 2 terms can be 2 algebraic terms. For example, x plus y. or it can be x minus y. This means a binomial expression may contain a sum or a difference of two terms. This is a sum and here there is a difference. Let's take another example. Let's say 3x plus 2y or 3x minus 2y. Also, these two terms can be one algebraic term and one numerical term, like 5. And there can be an addition or a subtraction between the two terms. And this can be other way around, which means first of all, you get the number, then you get the algebraic term. And there can be a sum or a difference, 5 minus x or 5 plus x. Now, let's learn about trinomial expressions. We know already there are 3 terms in a trinomial expression. These 3 terms can be 3 algebraic terms. For example, x plus y plus z. Or there can be 2 algebraic terms and a numerical term. Also notice there can be additions and subtractions between the terms. So terms are connected by additions and subtractions. I hope you got a clear idea about algebraic expressions. Do you know about variables, coefficients, and constant of algebraic expressions? I'm going to cover this in another video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.